Hey everyone, thanks for joining me on this off-script video on the Parliamentary Nerds channel. I wanted to come on and talk with you today just in a reaction to a podcast that I listened to earlier today. Now, the podcast is called The Daily Stoic. It's by author and host Ryan Holiday. And Ryan Holiday is one of the, foremost authorities on Stoic philosophy with us today. And I'll put some information about where to find the Daily Stoic podcast down in the video description below so that you can check it out yourself. This particular episode was aired on July 1st. 2026, and it is titled Excellent is Not an Act, but a Habit. It's a very good podcast. I think it's only a couple of minutes long, like many of the Daily Stoic episodes. They're a few minutes. They're some insight, some thought into Stoic philosophy and how you can apply them in your daily life. And what Ryan Holiday said that really stuck with me is this: we are what we repeatedly do, Aristotle said. Therefore, excellence is not an act, but a habit. And this got me thinking, because I've been thinking a lot about systems, processes, parliamentary procedure as it pertains to our group decision-making bodies, and how to get good decisions, how to get into, the habit of the best decision-making that's possible in a group decision-making forum. And what I liked about what Ryan Holiday was saying about the Stoic philosophy is that excellence isn't a thing that you do one time. It's a way of living. It's foundational. It's a quote from the podcast there, and I think that translates into what we talk about on this channel very well, because good decisions, they're not just something that magically happen, and they're not things that happen one time. They're a way of organizing your meetings. They're a way of organizing the materials you use for your meetings. They're a way of organizing how people in the group are able to contribute and how they're able to participate. It's foundational to construct good processes so that you're not at the whim of the personalities around the table. Good people come, good people go. But good processes and good procedure can help your organization get the best out of the people that are part of your organization and part of your group decision-making body. If you want to do something, make a habit of it. If you want good decisions, put together a framework for how those decisions are made, the questions that are asked, how you go about designing good motions, how you go about your debate and asking probing questions, how you go about ensuring that people around the table have a variety of skill sets, a variety of experiences to contribute to the group, and a variety of opinions and insights to share. How do you ensure that the balance between the right of the organization to get the things done is balanced, and balanced in a way that's meaningful for your group, with the right of each individual member to contribute? It's a lot around all the questions that we've been asking, and conversations that we've been having here on the Parliamentary Nerds channel. I think excellence is not an act, but a habit. It's a thing that is foundational. It's a way of operating. It's a way of living. I think that speaks directly to the things that we're trying to get to the bottom of here on this channel. So the good news is that It's really about small adjustments. It's about instituting good systems and the right processes for the way you want to do business. That's what it takes. It takes systems, processes, frameworks. So, I would like to invite you to check out any of my other videos, things that talk about these processes, these systems, these frameworks for making decisions and ways of thinking in a group decision-making setting. And I'd like to thank you if you're watching this for the first time. Thanks for watching this far. I'm glad that you stumbled upon this video somehow. If you are one of my handful of regular viewers, I can't tell you how much I appreciate you watching. And with that, I will see you in the next video.